Welcome to my channel.
And this is a Fluent Vibes English Podcast.
Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Fluent Vibes English Podcast, where learning English is natural, fun, and easy. I'm Sarah, and with me, as always, is my good friend Allie. How are you today, Allie?
Hey, Sarah. I'm doing great, thank you. The sun is shining, I have my cup of coffee, and I'm ready to chat.
That sounds perfect. And hello to all our wonderful listeners. We're so happy you're here with us today.
Yes, before we start, we have one small favor to ask. If you enjoy our podcast, please take a moment to follow or subscribe to Fluent Vibes English Podcast. And don't forget to rate and share it with your friends. It really helps us grow and bring you more fun English conversations.
Exactly. Thank you so much. Okay, Allie, let's start today's chat. Our topic is simple, just daily English conversation, like friends talking about life, weekends, and small funny things.
All right, Sarah, let's start with you. How was your weekend?
My weekend was great, thank you. I visited my family on Saturday, my mom, dad, and my sister. We cooked lunch together.
That sounds lovely. What did you make?
We made pasta with tomato sauce, a big red sauce, and, of course, lots and lots of cheese.
Cheese makes everything better. Did you enjoy it?
Oh, it was delicious. We ate, talked, and laughed a lot. It was such a happy day. What about you, Allie? How was your weekend?
My weekend was a little crazy, to be honest. I lost my keys.
Oh no, you lost your keys. That's the worst feeling ever.
Yes, I looked everywhere. On the table, in my pockets, in my bag. No keys.
So where did you finally find them?
You won't believe it. They were in the refrigerator.
The refrigerator? Allie, how did your keys end up there?
I have no idea. I came home, put the milk in the fridge, and I guess I put my keys there too. They were so cold when I found them.
That's hilarious. Cold keys. That's a new one.
Yes, I looked for almost an hour before finding them. After that, I decided to just relax.
Good idea. What did you do to relax?
I watched a funny movie about a talking dog. It was silly, but it made me laugh so much.
A talking dog? I love that. I think everyone needs a good laugh on the weekend. Speaking of dogs, do you have any pets, Allie?
No, my apartment is small, but I really want a dog one day. Maybe a big, funny one. What about you?
I have a cat. His name is Leo.
Oh, that's a great name. What does he look like?
He's all black with big green eyes, and he's super lazy. He sleeps all day on my sofa or bed.
That sounds like the perfect life. Eat, sleep, repeat.
Exactly. I talk to him sometimes, but I'm not sure he listens.
Cats never listen. So what did you do on Sunday?
Sunday was quiet. I cleaned my apartment and watered my plants. I have a lot of plants. My place looks like a little jungle.
A jungle? Wow, that must look amazing. Do you talk to your plants too?
Maybe. Yes, I do sometimes. I say, "Hello, plants. You look beautiful today."
That's so cute. I talk to my coffee mug sometimes. Does that count?
Ha ha. Only if it talks back, Allie.
So what are your plans for next weekend?
I need to go shopping. My friend is getting married next month, so I want to buy a new dress. Maybe something blue.
Oh, that's exciting. I hope you find the perfect dress.
Thank you. What about you?
If the weather is nice, I'll go to the park. Maybe take a book and just relax. I love walking among the trees in autumn.
That sounds peaceful. The colors this time of year are beautiful. Red, yellow, orange.
Yes, autumn makes me feel calm and happy.
Well, that was such a nice chat today. I loved hearing about your cold keys and your movie.
And I loved hearing about your pasta, your cat, and your jungle of plants.
Thank you, Allie. And thank you to everyone listening to Fluent Vibes English Podcast. We hope you enjoyed today's conversation.
If you did, please follow or subscribe to our podcast and share it with your friends who are learning English.
And here's our question for you. What did you do last weekend? Tell us in the comments or send us a message on social media. We love reading your stories.
That's right. Thank you all again for spending your time with us today. We'll be back next week with another fun and easy English chat.
Until then, keep practicing, stay positive, and keep those fluent vibes alive.
Bye for now.
Bye for now.